Hey everyone, Chris here from Cashunt. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite game boards for Cashunt for many years, and by far one of the most charming cities in the United States, Charleston, South Carolina. We simply love this place. Picture this: cobblestone streets, horse-drawn carriages, antebellum architecture, and a southern charm that'll make you want to say y'all all day long. From its rich history to its vibrant culture, Charleston's got it all, folks. We're talking delicious food, beautiful beaches, spooky ghost stories. It's like stepping into a time capsule while still rocking out to some sweet tunes. So buckle up, grab your sweet tea, and get ready for the ultimate Charleston adventure. Let's get this show on the road. All right, first stop, we're strolling through historic downtown Charleston. And let me tell you, this place is like walking onto a movie set. Picture this: cobblestone streets, gas lights flicker against the evening sky, and these gorgeous antebellum mansions just oozing with history. You gotta check out Rainbow Row, folks. It's this iconic street with a line of pastel-colored historic houses. I'm talking baby blue, cotton candy pink, sunshine yellow. It's like a box of crayons exploded, and it's absolutely breathtaking. And hey, keep your eyes peeled for those horse-drawn carriages, folks. They're like the taxis of Charleston, and nothing says southern charm like clippity-clopping through the streets with a friendly horse as your chauffeur. Giddy up. Next up, we're hitting up the Charleston City Market. This place is a shopper's paradise, folks. We're talking local crafts, handmade jewelry, sweetgrass baskets, you name it, they got it. And hey, if you're looking for a souvenir that screams Charleston, those sweetgrass baskets are where it's at. They're made by these talented Gullah artisans, and each one is totally unique. It's like a little piece of Charleston history you can take home with you. But hold your horses, folks, because the city market ain't just about shopping. They got food too. I'm talking fresh seafood, southern barbecue, and these things called Benny wafers that are like little crispy cookies made with sesame seeds. Trust me, you gotta try them. All right, history buffs, this one's for you. We're heading out to Fort Sumter National Monument. Now this place is legendary, folks. It's where the first shots of the Civil War were fired, and it's a real trip back in time. To get there, you gotta hop on a ferry, which is an adventure in itself. You get these amazing views of Charleston Harbor, the city skyline, and even Fort Sumter in the distance. Once you're on the island, you can explore the fort, check out the cannons, and learn all about the pivotal role it played in American history. It's a sobering experience, folks, but an important one. All right, time for some fresh air and stunning views, folks. We're heading to Waterfront Park, and let me tell you, this place is a Charleston must-see. First things first, you gotta snap a selfie with the pineapple fountain. It's like the unofficial mascot of Charleston, and it's just so darn cheerful. I'm talking water shooting out the top, kids splashing around. It's pure joy, folks. And while you're there, take a stroll along the pier. You get these incredible panoramic views of Charleston Harbor, Fort Sumter in the distance, and these massive cargo ships sailing by. It's the perfect spot to just relax, soak up the scenery, and maybe even catch a sunset. Get ready for a dose of Southern history and beauty, folks, because we're heading to Boone Hall Plantation. This place is something else. I'm talking sprawling grounds, moss-draped oaks, and a history that'll transport you back in time. You gotta see the Avenue of Oaks, folks. It's this iconic driveway lined with these massive oak trees that were planted way back in the 1740s. It's like something out of a fairy tale. And hey, while you're there, take a tour of the plantation house. You'll learn all about the lives of the people who lived and worked here, from the wealthy plantation owners to the enslaved Africans who built and sustained this place. It's a powerful and moving experience. All right, folks, get ready for some serious real estate envy because we're heading to the Battery and White Point Garden. This place is like a stroll through Charleston's history, with these grand mansions lining the streets and the harbor sparkling in the distance. You'll see these beautiful antebellum homes with their wraparound porches, intricate ironwork, and gardens that'll make your green thumb jealous. It's like stepping back in time to a more elegant era. And hey, make sure you bring your camera because the photo ops here are endless. You got the harbor views, the cannons from the Civil War scattered around, and those picture-perfect Charleston mansions that'll make you want to pack your bags and move right in. All right, time to catch some rays, folks. Charleston ain't just about history and charm. It's got beaches, too. We're talking soft sand, crystal clear water, and that laid-back southern vibe that'll make you want to kick off your shoes and stay a while. First up, we got Folly Beach. It's a classic beach town with a pier, a funky little downtown, and plenty of opportunities for surfing, sunbathing, or just chilling with a good book. Then there's Isle of Palms. This place is a little more upscale, with fancy beach houses, golf courses, and these pristine beaches that'll make you feel like you're in the Caribbean. And hey, if you're looking for something a little more low-key, check out Sullivan's Island. It's got this quiet charm with beautiful beaches, historic forts, and a real sense of community. All right, folks, loosen your belts and get ready for a culinary adventure, because Charleston's food scene is off the chain. I'm talking fresh seafood, southern comfort food, and flavors that'll make your taste buds sing. First things first, you gotta try the shrimp and grits. It's like the unofficial dish of Charleston, and for good reason. I'm talking juicy shrimp, creamy grits, and this savory sauce that'll have you licking the plate clean. And hey, if you're a fan of barbecue, Charleston's got you covered. They do it Carolina style here, with a tangy vinegar-based sauce that'll make your mouth water. But hold on, folks, because we're just getting started. Charleston's got it all, from award-winning fine dining restaurants to cozy cafes and everything in between. So you're probably wondering, Jimmy, when's the best time to visit Charleston? And let me tell you, folks, this city is pretty much perfect year-round. But hey, I'm here to give you the inside scoop, so listen up. Springtime in Charleston is like a dream come true. The weather is perfect, the flowers are in bloom, and the city is buzzing with festivals and events. Fall is another great time to visit. The weather is still mild, but the crowds have thinned out a bit. Plus, you got those gorgeous fall colors painting the city in shades of red, orange, and yellow. And hey, if you don't mind a little heat, summer in Charleston is a blast. You got the beaches, the outdoor dining, and those long sunny days that are perfect for exploring. All right, folks, get ready to get spooked, because Charleston is known for its haunted history and ghost stories. And what better way to experience it than with a good old-fashioned ghost tour? These tours will take you through the shadowy streets of Charleston, past cemeteries, historic homes, and all sorts of creepy spots where you just might catch a glimpse of something spooky. You'll hear tales of pirates, Civil War soldiers, and heartbroken lovers who just can't seem to leave this world behind. And hey, who knows? You might even have your own paranormal encounter. So there you have it, folks. Charleston is truly a gem with so much to offer. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking for a beautiful place to relax, Charleston has something for everyone. From its charming streets and historic sites to its delicious food and beautiful beaches, Charleston will steal your heart and leave you wanting more. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Charleston adventure today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides. See you in the next video in the